Good morning, ma'am. Good morning po. Ayan, pakilala ang sarili. I'm Brian, your caregiver today, and I'm going to do bed bathing. Can I do it, ma'am? Are you willing to do bathing? Pag-yes ko na. Okay, ma'am. Let me prepare the materials needed. Then exit. Then, prepare the materials. Linisin ang basin pag madumi, disinfect, gano'n. Gano'n sabihin niya. Then, balik kay patient. Then, close the window. Close the door. Curtain, kung curtain. Then, ask the patient kung okay lang na nandito yung mga family niya habang pinapaliguan. Okay? O, tapos, nung next. Nagagal na natin.
Where double block?
Sanitize.